Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and apply for Medicaid online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead proceed now. So for that matter, really very first of all, access your browser and type in medicaid.gov and get into the official website. After you have done so, you will be able to find this kind of interface right over here, right? So if you would like to apply for it and if you want to simply learn and know regarding all the requirement, qualification extra, then upon scrolling a bit, you simply have this option of learn how to apply for coverage. Go ahead, simply tap on it. And now you can see we have simply the option. You can see we have apply now on top right away. But first of all, simply check out how to see if you're eligible for Medicaid or CHIP. You have to know if whether you are eligible or not. If you're not, prepare yourself and be eligible. Once you have done so, you can again scroll down, check out all of the website, and you can see eligibility requirement. And the thing is, this is gonna differ from the state you are in. So for example, you can see want to contact your state Medicaid agency. These are some of the options, but you have to simply scroll down and simply you can see now we have this many states actually have the Medicaid for them. All you have to do is tap on this drop down icon and simply choose your state and then go to Alaska. Once you have done so, again it's going to open this kind of tab. You can see we have state Medicaid links. These are the places that Medicaid is actually available on. All you have to do is, let's say for example you're from Florida, you can first of all tap on this eligibility and check out if you're eligible or not. Then afterwards you can simply tap on it, go there and simply find the Medicaid and their health insurance section and apply for it. Simply again you have to check on the eligibility, provide all of the information accordingly, and you're good to go. But if you're having any kind of problem, you can choose to simply contact them by simply calling these numbers, and you will find that these numbers on each and every state that where Medicaid is available. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.